Hello, today we are going to be installing Python on your system. I've created a document as well to kind of go with this, so I'm going to follow along by that and take it kind of slow. Step one, we're going to navigate to the Python downloads page. On the document, it's a hyperlink, so you can go ahead and click on Python downloads. It'll take you to this page right here. Now, for this course, we are going to use the newest version of Python, which is 3.9.7. If there's a newer version available, you can go ahead and install that, but just keep in mind that there may be slight differences. If you don't see Python 3.9.7 right here, you can also scroll down and click the version right here in looking for a specific release. So we'll go ahead and click that. Now, what we'll do is we'll scroll down to the installers. You'll need to know if your computer is a 32 or 64-bit. Most are going to be 64-bit, but to check that, you can go ahead and type in this PC, right-click, go down to Properties, and then you can see under System Type that mine is a 64-bit operating system, but you can go ahead and check yours there. Now, there's also Mac OS installers. I'm going to be using a Windows computer for this course. If yours is a Mac, you may have to do a little bit more research on how to do it, but most of it's just point and click. So let's go ahead and click on the Windows 64-bit installer, or whichever one that your computer was. You'll see it pop in the bottom left-hand corner right here. We'll go ahead and click on the little caret and say Show in Folder. What we'll do is we'll right click on that executable and go down to Run as Administrator. Now, that's not always necessary, but the reason that we are going to do that is to make sure that everything is installed correctly on the back end. So go ahead and click that. If you got an administrator pop up, make sure that you did click yes right there. Now you'll see that the executable launches, and we will see Python 3.9.7 64-bit setup. Now we'll go ahead and say add to path. We'll talk a little bit more about this later, but just go ahead and click that now, and then say install now. All right, so whenever Python is done downloading, you should see setup was successful. If you don't see this, go ahead and restart the system and try once more. Also, if you're wondering why I had Jeopardy music on deck, this is like the third time I'm installing this, and I was thinking, wow, it would be great if I had Jeopardy music. So let's go ahead and click close. Congratulations, you have successfully installed Python. Now, what we're going to do is continue forward and just do our first hello world. So I told you I'd come back to what install to path meant. So what we'll need to do is go to our environment variables. Go ahead and type in edit. You'll see edit the system environment variables. Click there. You'll see this page right here should say system properties, and then you'll see environment variables at the bottom. Go ahead and click there. Now, in the bottom window, you'll see system variables. Go ahead and click on path, and you'll need to double click that. Next, you'll need to hit new. Now, right here, I have already installed this to path, but you'll see if you need to find it, you can just type in your own username here in the document. I did include that path, but you'll see that if you open it up, that it takes you to the actual installation of Python. So once this is done, go ahead and click OK. OK again, and OK. Now, what we're going to want to do is open up the command prompt. You can do that by typing in command prompt or CMD as a shortcut. That'll bring up a black screen like this. Go ahead and type in Python. If you've installed Python correctly and added the system variable correctly, you should see this banner pop up. And that's how you know that you've entered the Python environment. Now, for the quick hello world, you can type in print and then hello world, and you'll see it print right back hello world to you. This is like one of the cool things you can do, but you can also use it as like a calculator, for, and so on. Go ahead and experiment with it and just see exactly how to use it. That'll complete this video though for the Python installation and the initial hello world. Thanks for watching and have a great day.